Hello girls, how are you? Today we're going to have a phonics class and first we're going to review. Repeat after me. Sal. E, insects. T, Tom. P, peep. A, ants. No. And today we're going to work with this letter sound. O, octopus. Okay, girls, open your book in page number 20. This page. Okay, look here at the top of the page. We're going to, excuse me, we're going to write the letter sound O with our finger. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the uppercase O, it's like a big circle. Do it with your finger. Very good. Now the lowercase o. It's a circle but smaller, like this. Very good. Okay, now grab your pencil and we're going to write down the O. You have to do it in your book, okay? Let's do it. An uppercase O. Excellent. Now, the lowercase o is the same but smaller. Okay, excellent. Now, we're going to work in this part of the page. Look, what's this? What fruit is this? It's an orange. Orange. And here is the word orange, but it's missing the beginning sound, the beginning letter. What's the beginning sound of orange? Oh, very good. I'm going to use color orange. Orange. Very good. Now we are going to practice the uppercase O like this. You have to continue and complete the row. Now here we're going to write the lowercase o. It's like a circle, but a little bit small. Very good. You complete the row. Excellent. Now, look here. Say the sound and write the letters. Okay, let's see. What's this? Here is Tom. And he has orange sunglasses. Look, orange sunglasses. We have to write down the uppercase O. Orange sunglasses. Very good. Now look here. He's Tom and he has an octopus on his t-shirt. An orange octopus. Okay, let's complete. Tom and an orange octopus. Orange octopus. Very good. Okay, look here. Here is Tom in an olive tree. He's in the olive tree. Let's complete. Tom, look, O, mm, Tom in an olive tree. Olive tree. Excellent. And look, here is Tom with an orange on his head. Okay, let's complete the missing letter. Orange on t o Tom. Let's read. An orange on Tom. An orange on Tom. Very good, girls. Good job. Okay, now my favorite part. Look here. We're going to paste the stickers. Okay. Here we have an olive. Olive. And we're going to paste the olive in the tree. Okay. Now, here we have a word. Let's read the word all together. On. On. Okay, let's paste this word here on the tree. Okay, now look, this is an orange octopus. Orange, octopus. Very good. Let's paste the orange octopus in front of the tree. Very good. Now, here is the letter sound O. And I'm going to paste it here on the top of the tree. Very good. And the last one, this is a word and we're going to read it all together. O, off. And this word, we're going to paste it here next to the octopus. Very good. Excellent work. Very, very good, girls. Kisses for you. Mwah. See you soon. Bye-bye.